Hey, TGO traders, Wiz here with Wednesday's Market SITREP, and some interesting elections around the United States last night. Terry McAuliffe pulled out a squeaker in Virginia, mainly on Obamacare, on the challenger, tying him to the absolute train wreck that is engulfing our federal government, known as Obamacare. So very interesting elections. Obviously, Chris Christie took New Jersey, and that sets him up for a presidential run in 2016. And then de Blasio, that complete left-wing loon, won in New York City. So good luck, New York City, and get ready for the flight of even more people leaving New York City and the former financial capital of the world. But Obamacare is getting worse. Trying to watch Sebelius today testify in front of the Senate. Again, it really is Comedy Central watching her talk about this thing. Delay is not an option and all sorts of other stuff. It's incredible. And the White House is sticking with the president really never said what he actually said over 29 times. It's incredible, folks. But we go up, right? Some Fed papers that were released recently, they believe that the economy's showing a lot of slack and room for stimulus. So guess what? Not only is the Fed hanging out for a little bit, but they might actually increase their asset purchases. Also, market is up today based on sources saying there's not going to be a rate cut out of the ECB tomorrow, and Mario Draghi, he's not expected to announce anything. So that's pretty interesting. We're seeing a dip in European inflation, so not seeing an ECB rate cut. And the Conference Board's leading index numbers came out today, mainly in line. Consensus was calling for a 0.7. We saw a 0.7, so that's another reason the market just kind of drifts up here. But again, all eyes are on tomorrow with our GDP number, looking for at least a 2 in front of this. And you guys know me, we need at least a 3 in front of this thing to get out of our economic Vietnam. And then Friday, all important jobs numbers and income, personal income, personal spending, and a lot of good stuff. Great week. 3 trades in our weekly options model portfolio here at TGO, and we're up in 2.5 days, $2,600 on 3 trades, $2,800. So all trades looking really good. Our Apple Iron Condor in 2.5 days is up over 80%. $1,500. Goog Iron Condor going right down the fairway with a potential gain of $2,400, and our S&P Iron Condor is up 35%, about $800, with about $1,700 to go. So some really good stuff here. Potentially, what's that? $7,000 in gains on $15,000 in risk. So if you're not in our weekly options program, you need to get in it. But we're actually starting our full throttle program, our preview week next week. So if you want to learn about weekly options, you can wait until next week, or you can give us a call at 1-888-308-2112 so you can get into our weekly options program today. Okay? Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll be back with Thursday SITREP tomorrow. We'll see you.